There's one. Oh, still left. I'm not very good at making meals. Nails are tough. Right.
Gotta make the metal soft. Oh, look how much it is. The fire turned it.
That's
that
cool,
way.
huh?
It's pretty neat.
It is pretty neat. It's a lost art.
Yeah. See, now he's twisting it, so it makes it like a little pretty twisty thing on there.
Yeah.
This is, you mean this? It's like an old craft. It's like something that they used to do before they invented Home Depot.
Everything, yeah.
Home Depot
Before
didn't
they
exist.
invented machines to do
Yes,
it.
exactly.
Yeah, they make